This building was opened in 1945. The lift wasn't. Now I came here about 11 years ago and there was an old Otis gated lift here, but it didn't work. It's now been replaced with a Schindler 3300EU. But yeah, I never got to ride the original 1940s gated lift that was here because it didn't work. But I've got the photograph that I took of it. Here we are at 2 and back to 0. Doesn't talk, sadly. But yeah, so we have the panel mounted on the side wall, of course, because this is the 3300EU, i.e. it's the European version, which is good because that's the one I prefer. Here we are back at 0. There it goes. And that's it.